In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shut down a laptop with the keyboard on Windows 11. The first method uses the shutdown dialog from the desktop. Press the Windows key plus D on your keyboard. This minimizes your open windows and brings you straight to the desktop. This part matters because Alt plus F4 only opens the shutdown dialog when no other window is active. If a window is still selected, that shortcut closes the window instead. Once you are on the desktop, press Alt plus F4. A shutdown Windows dialog box appears in the center of the screen. In that box, there is a drop-down menu, and shutdown is usually selected by default. Check that the drop-down says Shutdown. If it does not, use the arrow keys until Shutdown is selected. Then press Enter. Your laptop will begin shutting down right away. The second method uses the Windows security screen. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. A full-screen menu appears with options such as Lock, Switch User, Sign Out, and Task Manager. In the bottom right corner, there is also a power icon. Press Tab until that power icon is selected. Then press Enter to open the power options. Use the arrow keys to move to Shut Down. When Shutdown is selected, press Enter. The laptop starts shutting down. The third method is the fastest one and uses the power menu. Press the Windows key plus X. A menu appears above the Start button in the bottom left corner with system shortcuts. Press U. This selects Shutdown or Sign Out and opens its submenu. Press U again. This selects Shutdown. As soon as you do that, the laptop begins shutting down immediately. The full shortcut is Windows key plus X, then U, then U. It is a very quick keyboard path and only takes 3 key presses after opening the menu. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. So those are the 3 keyboard-only ways to shut down a Windows 11 laptop. The Alt plus F4 method gives you a visible shutdown dialog. The Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete method works from the security screen. In the Windows key plus X, then U method is the fastest. In each case, your Windows 11 laptop shuts down completely using only the keyboard, with no mouse or touchpad needed.